answer each and everything. So this is the first job link that we have, which is in the code lancer. So they are hiring for multiple positions, right? If you have knowledge about digital forensics, SOC analyst, web developer, cyber security analyst, and cyber forensics, right? So you can work for all these actually positions, right? This is the contact number, this is the mail ID on which you can drop your query if you have any questions, or if you want to apply, just drop your resume along the title exactly what you are willing to apply. I guess this is for fresh and experienced both, because nothing is mentioned, so just do accordingly, right? Next one is someone is looking for advanced red team ops. They want minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, and you should have knowledge about AD, active directory analysis, vulnerability network, and you need to work at Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. So these are a couple of skills: PowerShell, Python, and privilege escalation, lateral movement, C2 framework, active directory exploitation like Bloodhound, which is very famous tool, PowerSploit, Mimic Cache, and Crack Map itself. So when I started learning red teaming, actually this was the initial thing I was learning at that time. Apart from this skill chain, MITRE ATT&CK, and a couple of more frameworks is important. IPS, IDR, IDS knowledge is important, right? So you can do all those things as well. And there is no certification which is mandatory, but these are preferable. If you have, then you will get selected very soon, like OSCP, OSCE, CRTP, and CTP is the position for what they are looking. If you don't have any experience, skills are mandatory, right? So if you're a fresher, you can apply. This is very good. Like I just saw this line on the post which I saw on LinkedIn. They said if you don't have experience, no issue, but skills is mandatory, right? So freshers can also do. So mail ID is hello at red team lab redteamtalents.com, on which you can apply. Right now, next is in Indore. Someone is looking for SOC cyber security analyst position. It's an indoor based job, work from office. Freshers can apply, 1 to 3 years of peoples can apply, right? And this is for the SOC Security Operations Center, SIM Indore. ECI is the company name, right? And associate and associate analyst position, 28 and 29 the last date. No, sorry, this is a walking interview date on which you can apply for this role, right? So you can walk in, you can go to their address right on the same date. This address is where you need to go for the interview. So freshers can do, experience can also do. Bachelor's or masters in cybersecurity, IIT, computer science is mandatory. 23, 24 graduates can do, right? And these are the knowledge which is required: TCP, IP, IDS, IPA, firewall, and VDR, all those knowledge is important, right? The mail IDs are right at eci.com. Next one, someone is looking for cybersecurity professional. Okay, they want minimum 2 years of experience. So if you have minimum 2 years of experience, then only apply. They want internal IT audit, cybersecurity assessment, IT risk assessment. There are a couple of things you need to do. Their job responsibility. You can pause this video and check out the things. You need to do information security assessment analysis and few more things, right? And these are the must skill. Okay, ISMS knowledge is important, which is information security management system. And there are a couple of certifications which might be important, right? Knowledge is important. Certain IRDA, SEBI, RBI. There are a couple of frameworks, Orbiter. So you should have knowledge about all those things, right? Qualification is BTech, uh, degree preferable. MCA from any recognized university will be good to go. As I told you, minimum 2 years of experience is required, and candidate should be from Mumbai, or if you can locate, right? मतलब कहीं और से भी हो तो देखो, अप्लाई कर लो. अगर मुंबई में रह सकते हो, बोल देना मुंबई से. अक्षय कुमार डॉट चौहान @sumasoft.net. बाय द वे, इसमें मेरा कुछ लाइन नहीं है. इफ आई सेड कि मुंबई में रह लो, ऑल इट्स जस्ट अ सजेशन. Now the next is, yeah, that's all today. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much. Jai.